Hello guys, I'm gonna sing. This is about my nature stuff, and I'm actually a nature girl, so do you want to hear my song? I hope you say yes. I'm the only girl that's a nature. I'm a girl who can look after anything but today. My leaves got burned by one of those stupid boys. Then I was so upset, I just ran away. Today I'll be the bestest nature girl. I'm the best of them all. I weren't anymore. I stopped them. My new name is Ashley Nature Girl. There was 3 nature boys and 2 nature girls. That meant 3, but now there's only one. Only one now. Only one now. One, 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 one. One, one. Only one. One, one, one. Only one. You're the greatest, you're the best. You're the greatest of them all. You're the best, you're the greatest. You're as much as me. Sorry that I despair nature's girls. No need to do that. I'm so happy that I'm actually a nature girl. Nature girls are best of all. I only had one because I only hear the nature boys, and the nature girls got killed by some people that I don't really know. And they took me away and changed my name to the stupid name Megan. I hate that name. I wish I could be called Nature Girl again. My real name is Nature Girl. I'm a sister for a sister head. Nature, 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 nature. Don't catch me if you hear anything wrong. I got a phone, of course. That's what nature girls need. But my name is Megan, and I'm a nature girl. I love myself and my amour. I'm a great girl of all you would want to see. You're the greatest, 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 greatest of them all. Bye. Hope you like the song.